Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how you can earn money by writing online with paid online writing jobs. If you have a passion for writing and want to turn it into a profitable venture, this video is for you. First things first, let's talk about paid online writing jobs. It's a platform that connects freelance writers with a wide range of writing opportunities. From blog posts to articles, product descriptions to ebooks, there's a plethora of work available for writers of all levels. Now, let's dive into the steps to get started. Click the link in the video description and sign up with paid online writing jobs. Provide accurate information during registration. Build a strong writer profile showcasing your expertise, writing samples, and preferred niches. This helps clients find the right writers for their projects. Once your profile is set up, start browsing the available writing jobs. There's something for everyone, whether you're interested in technology, lifestyle, or finance. Now, let's discuss how to find and complete writing jobs. Apply for writing jobs that align with your interests and expertise. Tailor your pitch to each job to increase your chances of getting hired. Once you're hired, write high-quality content that meets the client's requirements. Pay close attention to deadlines and communication to build a strong client-writer relationship. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part: earning money. After completing a job, you'll receive payment from the client. Payments are typically made through various methods like PayPal or direct bank transfer. As you continue writing for various clients, your portfolio will grow. A diverse portfolio showcases your skills and attracts more clients. Let's wrap up with some tips for success. Practice makes perfect. Keep writing regularly to improve your skills and secure more jobs. Meeting deadlines is crucial to maintain a good reputation as a freelance writer. Clear and prompt communication with clients ensures a smooth working relationship. And remember to click the link in the video description and sign up with paid online writing jobs and start earning money today. There you have it. Earning money by writing online with paid online writing jobs is an excellent way to turn your passion for writing into a profitable freelance career. Remember to build a strong writer profile, apply for jobs that match your interests, and deliver high-quality work to keep clients coming back for more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more freelance and writing-related content. If you have any questions or experiences to share, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy writing!